Hold on one second. I gotta put this right here. Hold on. I gotta put this. Get him!
It looks like he's continuing on the Watertown right now.
He just ran the state police cruiser. We're going right into the park. And we're on Grand Street, passing the courthouse. Here we go. He just hit our cruisers. Let's get him. Oh! No, I got him. I got him. I got him. We're running to the back of the library. Back of the library. Back of the library. Black male, black hoodie. Let's go towards Library Park. He's going in the library. Hey, stop! Turn around! To the library. Got him, guys, in cuffs. You got your legs underneath you?